How you guys doing? I'll be 39 in October. Getting up there. I have 2 kids. I've been married 13 years. It's not that old, but there are times where I do feel really old, and I'm like, I'm becoming that guy. I was at Walmart the other day, so I like to shop more and spend less. And I'm looking at shoes, and I'm like, hey, those are nice. And what caught my eye, I actually considered buying velcro. Whoa. Now, as a father, you can't be fucking hard with velcro shoes when your son comes home and says, Daddy, I just got beat up. You can't. Where's he at? You can't. They're going to laugh at you the whole way up there. And then I'm going to go home and cry. You can't. Velcro shoes?